In radio equipment, design is very important to be able to display the needed information. A measuring probe is used for this purpose. We offer the probes of three types. They are analogous probes and digital probes of two sorts: lead, light-emitting diode, and LCD probes. Now we shall examine the three types of probes that we have in stock.
Рассмотрим три типа измерительных головок, которые есть в нашем ассортименте. Это, во-первых, стрелочная аналоговая головка,
the indicating analogous probe, the digital lead probe, and the digital LCD probe.
Кристаллическим индикатором. У каждой из них есть свои достоинства и недостатки.
Each model has its own faults and merits. The indicating analogous probe PM2 has all the advantages of a standard indicating probe. It could now successfully replace the old Soviet indicating probes. Its main advantage is that it doesn't need external power supply. Its main fault, on the other hand, is insufficient digit capacity. It can't measure as accurately as a digital indicator. Another probe we offer is a LED probe. Its advantage is a 3.5-digit capacity, which makes it possible to distinctly differentiate the figures from 1 up to 39 plus a unit of the following digit. Moreover, this probe can be utilized in the dark, because unlike others, its digits are shining red. Now let's see how the LED indicator works. To do it, we'll impress some power from the power supply unit to the sense wires. At the same time, we'll get some power from a battery to the power lead of our indicator. The indicator will turn on, and the signal will change from minimum to maximum in accordance with the input voltage. To use this measuring probe, we have to get 9 volt of power to the two slots, V+ and V-. Restrictive resistors must be put in the empty slots P2 and P3. Once this is done, the signal will supply it to the two available pins. The third type of measuring probe has an LCD indicator. Its advantage is that it is more economical than the LED probe. However, it can't be used in the dark. Despite this, it is still the most widely used probe type. Let's see how an LCD probe works. To examine it, it's necessary to connect it with a 9-volt cell-in battery. Then we will connect the input slots with the LED power unit, providing 0 to 200 mV worth of voltage. The latter figure marks the limit depth of effective range of our probe without shunt sockets. Now we will be gradually increasing the voltage in our LED power unit to reach the maximum of 200 mV.
А на входы сигнала подключим лабораторный блок питания, с которых мы будем подавать напряжение от 0 до 200 мV, ибо такой предел измерения у нашей измерительной головки при отсутствии шунтов. Теперь будем плавно увеличивать напряжение на нашем лабораторном блоке, вплоть до максимума в 200 мV.
Should the voltage exceed the limit, the measuring probe will indicate the overload and an E signal will turn on. To measure higher voltages, the probe shunt slot and two available pins are equipped with restrictive resistors that are provided together with the measuring probe. We have just analyzed the three kinds of measuring probes that you can use to display information in your DIY electronic devices.